welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic Sunday. Happy afternoon. I did post a video earlier this morning and now I have one for you this afternoon. Again, I'm wearing this shirt that is new and I'm just not sure how I feel about it. I'm almost getting like some 50 Shades of Grey vibe from, I don't know, but it is what it is. So, I think I even said something about the shirt in the first video I did today, and I don't know. I still like it. It's just different than what I normally wear. But anyway, so today we have another unboxing. It's a shocker, I know. So happy Sunday. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. Again, I hope you all are having a fantastic day. As you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be unboxing the July 2019 My Fashion Crate. And I do want to tell you guys a little bit about this box or bag, if you will, before we get into it if you're unfamiliar. But first, I do want to remind you guys we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I will put a link down below in the description so that you can enter if you have not already. Also, we're getting so close to 4,000, so share the video, tell your friends, head on over. Go ahead and have them subscribe. If you are new, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. We have a great time here. And please do leave a comment giving me your thoughts down below, as well as telling me about your day, and give the video a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. So, My Fashion Crate, they actually have 3 different plans. They have their accessories plan that is $25 a month, or starts at $25 a month. And with that, you will receive jewelry and accessories, and you will receive 2 to 3 items. Then they have their essentials plan, and that is $35. That you receive 3 to 4 items, and that again is going to be jewelry, accessories, but this one actually could include clothing like tops, dresses, things like that. And then they have their premium, which is the one that I have here, and it is $49.95, and you receive 5 to 8 items, basically the same as the essential. It could be jewelry, accessories, makeup, clothing, the whole gamut. There's no telling. We've received tons of amazing items in this subscription, and everything is always so adorable. So let's hop in and take a look at what we got for July 2019. I will put a link down below if you would like to head over and check out My Fashion Crate. They are through Crate Joy. I do want to say thank you because they do send this to me free for review. So thank you, My Fashion Crate. I do appreciate it. I love unboxing your subscription. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got for July 2019. Oh, something's stuck. Okay. Something was stuck. Let me look for, because there's always a card. That is one thing I do like about this subscription. Well, I'm going to pull that item out. There's the card. Okay. That is one thing I do like about this subscription is they do include a card telling you about the item and the pricing. So that is something that I do wish every subscription would do. So again, I do like that about this company. So the July 2019 My Fashion Crate, let's just get into it. So, well actually, let's start. I had to pull an item out, so we'll start with that. And it is this guy right here. It's kind of smushed from transit. So this looks almost like a quilted makeup bag or something. Let's see. Pink quilted nylon cosmetic case. Lightweight yet incredibly roomy. A versatile cosmetics case crafted from quilted nylon, works both for extended travel and trips to the gym. Value $10. So, and it actually does have a price tag on here. It says $9.95. So, I like that it has this like handle part here. And it is, I mean, that actually does have quite a bit of room in there. The brand is T-shirt and jeans. Right there. But I do like it. I mean, it's a great size for a, travel makeup bag by all means. And again, I like that it has like this handle on the side. So that is awesome. I like the color. So then we have, oh, okay, this looks interesting. This is from Pure Cosmetics. Now, not P-U-R, this is the P-U-R-E Cosmetics, Pure Cosmetics. And this is their Face the Day Travel Mask Set. Mask set featuring 5 innovative facial masks that work to purify, brighten, hydrate, and detoxify the skin for a flawless face. Crystal carbonated facial mask works to deep clean the face. Intense moisture overnight facial mask hydrates the skin. Purifying charcoal facial mask penetrates pores and purifies for a fresh face. Brilliant Skin Peel-Off Mask brightens the skin and evens the complexion. And then Supernova Firming Facial Mask helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this is a $40 value. And I believe that because I do know that this brand of Pure Cosmetics and the other are actually, it's quite pricey. So cleansing, hydrating, detoxifying, brightening, and age-defying. So that's awesome to get this set. So you kind of have it all right there. That's really neat. I like that a lot. So that right there almost pays for the premium subscription itself, which I think is fantastic. So let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, this is pretty. We have got a bracelet of some sort. Kaneo Dark Sea bracelet. And I apologize if I'm saying that incorrectly. The Kaneo, it's K-A-N-I-O, Dark Sea signature bracelet is made with blue spot stone beads. Blue spot stone is a stone of hope, tranquility, and aids in calming the mind and helps to understand and tap into your own spiritual nature. Paired with our genuine soft brown leather bracelet, this dynamic duo is as soothing as it and beautiful as its name. Value $24. Wait. Paired with our genuine soft brown leather bracelet, this dynamic duo is as soothing and beautiful as its name. Okay, so this is what they're talking about. I'm like, there's nothing. So yes. So this is gorgeous. This is really beautiful. And I do like looking at it is kind of tranquil and soothing. It's just really, really pretty. So we got that bracelet. And then we have something here. What is this? Sync and charge. This is for an iPhone, which is great because that's what I have. This is adorable. Okay, so this looks kind of like a tassel keychain. Here, let me take this. Let me take the tag off because then we can really see it. Okay, I really like this a lot. So, this looks like just a cute little tassel something keychain. Well, then, surprise! So you can plug this in And they are connected by a wire here, if you see. And then you can charge your phone. So you always have a charger with you. If you've got your keys, you're going to always, or if you just want to clip it on the side of your purse, whatever. Either way, you're going to always have a charger with you, which is fantastic. I am glad that they sent it for the iPhone because I have an iPhone, so that worked out. But that is so cute. I love that it's hidden, but it is so useful. This is amazing, and I love this. This is probably one of the, in my opinion, and I'm saying this only because my phone goes dead all the time because I'm always on YouTube and Instagram, that this is probably one of my favorite products I think I have ever received from this company. Now, I mean, I have received some great stuff, great cosmetic stuff, clothing, jewelry, things like that. But this is definitely probably my favorite because I always need a charger, and now I can attach it to my keys or my purse, and I know I've got one. So thank you so much. This is amazing. Let's see what it says here. Sarah Tassel key fob with charging cable. Lotus. Add a whimsical charm to your purse or keys. A hidden charging cable USB cord enables you to charge your devices on the go. Tassel detail lobster claw clasp. MFI certified charging cable hidden inside the tassels. Capable or compatible with iPhone 5S or later models. Values $35. Awesome! I'm so excited! Y'all, as soon as I saw that, I was like, that's an iPhone charger! So, it's the little things in life. So, yay! I am so tickled with this. I think this is amazing. Alright. So, let's finish unboxing. Alright, so here we have something in a very pretty, oh my goodness. Y'all, this is gorgeous. So it's like, and it almost feels kind of like a sweater material. It is short sleeves. But do you guys see that detail? That is so cute. This is adorable. I love this. I think it is super, super pretty. It is so soft. Now, it is something that I can tell right here. It is something that you probably would have to have like a little cami under because it is a little bit see-through. But it is so cute. I just love that tied detail right there down on the bottom. I love this. This is so adorable. Ah! Alright, so let's find this bad boy on here. This is so cute. Lavender tie waist blouse. This darling lavender blouse is sure to shine on your next date night or girls' night out. We love the knotted detail in the front side. It's the perfect pop of trendy style. It's so easy to pair with skirt or with a skirt or shorts for a fantastic summer outfit. And it says the value is $38. You guys, this is just the cutest top. Like, and it is, I mean, even though it kind of has that sweatery material feel, it is very thin. Like I said, you probably would need some kind of cami or something under it. But I just love it. It does have the short sleeves, that little detail, the color. This is perfect for summer and perfect for spring. It is just so cute. I am super excited about that guy. And then we have one more item it looks like in here. And let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. This is a skirt and it is adorable. Let me fix this. Let me tie this because obviously it needs to be tied and it would just make more sense to show it to you that way. This is so cute. So this is going to be like a knee-length skirt. It has like a stretchy waist, which is really nice. But you guys, look how cute this is. And it comes down, and then it's got this little extra layer here. It does have like a pattern, or not a pattern, you've got this layer. And then you have this layer, so it's not actually see-through. This skirt is adorable. This is so cute, y'all. I just love this. Almost could wear it with that purple, but I don't know. I mean, a blue would be really pretty. A teal, because it has little pops of teal here and there. But a blue, I definitely think would be gorgeous. I mean, even black. It's so cute. And it's got little birds and flowers. It is just like the cutest thing ever. This skirt is so... I love how the bottom gets ruffly. Oh, y'all. This is probably like my personal favorite My Fashion Crate ever. I think that this July 2019 box is the best. And let's see. Ivory floral skirt. This floral skirt is such a beautiful way to bring some fun to your summer closet. We love the vibrant combination of floral print. It's such an essential for your next vacation. The material is lightweight and breezy. It says $50. And it is very lightweight. I mean, that's the one thing I do like is that, like, because it is summertime, that purple top, even though it's kind of a sweatery material, it is very thin and lightweight and something that is so cute, and you're not gonna like sweat to death in it because it's lightweight. I love that. And then just that skirt, you guys. So here it will show you. Fold that so I can get it up. So here's the shirt. Here's the skirt. And then here are the other items that were in. So we had the beautiful shirt, the skirt, the gorgeous bracelet, the travel or just like gym bag type cosmetics case, the face mask set from Pure Cosmetics, and then this guy right here that I am super excited about, the iPhone charger, USB charger. So I absolutely think that this all combined is 110% worth the $49.95. I mean, you get a shirt, a skirt, a cosmetics bag, that keychain, a bracelet, face mask. I love it. And like I said, this is probably my favorite My Fashion Crate that I have ever unboxed. So I just love everything in this box this month. So what did you like? What was your favorite? Let me know down below. I hope you all have a fantastic Sunday, and I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Bye.